Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to do a little get ready with me with some of the products that I picked up from Ulta and ColourPop. And then at the end of the video, I let you guys know what products I really liked and which ones were not my favorites. So I hope you guys enjoy these kinds of videos. If you guys do, please don't forget to like the video. If you guys are not already, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me any comments down below, any video suggestions. Also, my social medias are all down in the description box if you guys want to give me a follow there. But yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate if you guys would subscribe. Also, don't forget to like this video, and if you guys are interested in this get ready with me with some new products I picked up, then of course just keep on watching. Alright guys, so like I said in the beginning, I am going to be doing a little get ready with me, just featuring some new products that I picked up from Ulta and ColourPop. So let's get started. I already went ahead and moisturized my face with this. This is what I just used to moisturize. It's the Aveeno Clear Complexion Daily Moisturizer, and this is the salicylic acid acne treatment. Also used these that I picked up from ColourPop. They are it's a little face milk kit, and I used the watermelon, and these are just it says they hydrate and moisturize for super soft and supple skin. I really like how it felt on the skin, so let's just go ahead and get started with getting ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do my foundation really quick. It's nothing new. This is the one that I've been using. It's the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that, and then I will come back so I can get started on showing you guys the products that I picked up. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied my foundation, but I forgot I picked this up specifically so I could show it to you guys. This is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. Let me take it out of here. Lots of great things about this primer, and I wanted to try it out today, but I forgot to prime. So this is what the primer looks like. It reminds me of like those glosses, just like in a bigger tube. But let me just see what it feels like so I can give you guys a little, so I can try to let you guys know what it's like. So that's right there. It's just clear. And it does have like a thick consistency. Oh, and it smells really good too. I'm really sad that I forgot about it to give it a try on camera, but I feel like I will like it. It has like the little tackiness, and I like that because it makes my foundation stay on longer. So maybe in a different video I'll be able to try this out. Okay, but for my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and do them off camera, but I did pick up this Morphe brow cream. I do use the Morphe eyebrow pencil, but I decided to give the cream a try. So this is what it looks like right here, and this is that. And I picked up mine in the shade Java. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do those really quick, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think of it. Okay guys, so I'm back. My brows are on, and I really liked the cream. I usually stick to pencils, but this one is really nice because I feel like it is creamy, so you don't have to you don't struggle with it when you're putting it on. A little bit goes a long way. So yeah, I really liked this product. And then I also went ahead and just did my concealer as well. So we're gonna get into bronzer. So this is the bronzer that I picked up from Ulta. It's the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Contour Bar. Let me see. So this is what the packaging looks like. It just looks like a giant chocolate bar. And then this is the back, nothing really on there. Then when I open it up, it has a mirror right here, and then it has a highlighter, and then the contour. The contour looks a little bit too dark. I'm kind of scared. to try that out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch them on the back of my hand just to see how dark that contour is. Ooh. That's what it looks like right there. And then the highlighter is really pretty. You're gonna go in with very little product on my brush because I do not want it to be super dark. So just very little. Oh my goodness. So I feel like this is definitely too dark for me. And it's not blending out too well. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. But I don't know if I want to put it on the other side now. So I don't know how I feel about that bronzer. I feel like a little bit goes a long way. Like, you do not have to go in there too hard, but I feel like it looks a little harsh. So I'm going to see if I can blend it out a little bit with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is my all-time favorite bronzer, so let's hope this works. I feel like that looks muddy on there. Okay, so I just tried blending it out a little bit with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Like I said, it's a little too dark. Maybe I should pick up the light shade because I got mine in the shade medium. So I'm going to try the medium or the light shade, and then hopefully that one works out for me. I'm going to try the highlighter as well, but I'm first going to put on a blush that I picked up from ColourPop, their new collection, from the ColourPop land. So this is the blush that I picked up. It is in the shade Gummy More. And I had already swatched it on my hand and I really liked how it looked. And then it also smells really good. It smells like some kind of candy, I feel like. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this and see how it looks on the cheeks. I feel like you can't really see the pink. You get a lot more of like the shimmer that the blush has. So you do kind of have to like pack it on a little more. But once you pack it on, you can kind of start seeing the color a little bit. But I'm just going to leave it like that because I do not like too much blush. Okay, and then for highlighter, I am going to use the one that's in the contour palette, but I wanted to share with you guys this one that I picked up as well. It is the I Heart Revolution Rose Gold Glow. This is my second one. The other one that I had broke, and I really like this one. It's my go-to. I use it all the time, but I wanted to share with you guys in case you guys are looking for a good highlighter. This one is amazing. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So those are the swatches right there. Like I said, it's very affordable. I believe it's $7 and it's amazing. You guys should definitely check this highlighter out. Okay, so let's test out this highlighter right here. And so with the highlighter, I'm going to use this brush that I picked up from Ulta. It's the Wet n Wild blush and highlight brush, and it's from my Melody and Kuromi collection. I don't know, but I really liked how it looked. It's super cute. So let me just take it out of the packaging. So this is what the brush looks like. It comes with like the little sparkles or the little glitter right there. Super cute. This is the highlighter side, and then this is the blush side. So I'm just going to take the highlighter side and see how it applies. Ooh, the highlighter is really pretty. I like that so much. The highlighter is super pretty. I like it so much. So I will definitely keep using the highlighter in here, but not the bronzer. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the eyes. I also picked up 2 eyeshadow palettes actually. One from Ulta and then this one from ColourPop. This is the from their new collection that they have. This is what this one looks like. I'm not going to use this one today. I really want to use this one for today's video. So it has like the same packaging as a little highlighter palette. So let's see. And it comes with like marble eyeshadows in it. That's what I was very excited about. But I just realized that they are all shimmers. There's no matte shadows in here. So then for my matte shadows, I'm gonna actually be using this palette right here. It's the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. Just because I do need some matte shadows. And I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I kind of want to do like a pinky tutorial. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch a few shades for you guys so that you guys can see what they look like. So I'm going to first swatch this Candied Marble one right here. Super pretty. So those are a few of the shades right there. Go in with this palette, the Jaclyn Hill one, just for my matte shadows, and then I'll use that one for my shimmer shadows. And since I am doing more like of a pinky shadow, I'm gonna stick to more pinky tones. And I'm not gonna do anything too dramatic. I'm just gonna do something very simple. Just because I don't have the time to be doing any like dramatic looks right now, because if you guys have not seen my previous video, I did recently have a baby and she has taken all of my attention. So we're just doing something very quick for today's eyeshadow. Okay, now so from this palette, the new one that I picked up, I think I'm going to use I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. That one is called Marzipan. I don't know. I'm not gonna cut my crease or anything too dramatic like that. Like I said, it's just something very simple. And so you definitely have to build up these colors. So I don't know if you guys can see the shimmer right there. Alright guys, so my baby decided to wake up. She is right behind me. I don't know. You can kind of see her right there. So if you guys hear her in the background, she is here with me now. So I'm just going to continue finishing my eyeshadow look. I'm just adding the shimmer shade onto my lid. I did mention you do kind of have to pack on the eyeshadow, but other than that, you do see the shimmer in them, so they're not that bad. Okay, so this is what my eyeshadow is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like that because, like I said, I don't have time to be doing anything dramatic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I don't have anything new. I've just been using this NYX matte liquid liner. It's been my favorite for a while, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my usual eyeliner. Alright, so my eyeliner is on, and now for mascara, I did pick up a new one. It is also from the I Heart Revolution, and look how freaking cute this is. It has little avocados everywhere. It says it's mascara with avocado oil, and then when I first saw this on there, it reminded me of the one from La Pulga. If you guys know what I'm talking about, they have like a little mascara at La Pulga, and it has like little avocado oil, I think, as well. So I wanted to try this one out because one, I love avocados, and two, it's super cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and apply this on. So this is what the wand looks like. Then let's go ahead and apply. Okay, so this is what the mascara looks like. I don't think you guys can really tell because of my eyeliner, but it kind of made them a little, gave them just a little bit of volume, nothing too much. So I'll probably end up wearing falsies anyway. But I mean, I like it. I usually always end up wearing falsies anyway, so I like it to apply it like before my falsies. That way, it's easier for me to apply them. But other than that, I mean, I'm not sure what it claims to do, if it claims to give you volume or something like that. But it's an alright mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my falsies. I am just using some Beauty Creation lashes in the style Flex. I'll show you guys what they look like once they are on. But this is what the packaging looks like, and like I said, they are in the style Flex, if you guys can see that right there. Right, so now to finish off this look, while I let my falsies dry up with the glue, for lips, I did pick up 3 different ones from Ulta. I picked up this Morphe lipstick in the shade Honey. Let me go ahead and show it to you guys. It's just a very, very nude color. I don't think I'll use this one today. I picked this one up so I can use it with my lip liners. So that's that one. And then I picked up these 2 from Milani. It said that they were new. These are the matte lip crayons, whatever they're called. I picked up one in the shade No Curfew, and then the other one in the shade Crazy for You. So on the back of my hand, I'll just swatch them really quick. It just broke. This literally just broke. Not off to a good start with these. Okay, so that's what these 2 look. This, let's see, the more pinkier shade, this one right there is Crazy for You, and then the other one is No Curfew. And I think I'm gonna go in with the other one, with No Curfew, the one that broke, just to see what that looks like on the. That looks really, really pretty on the lips, and they are very, very soft, very creamy. They apply very nice on the lips. They don't feel sticky at all. They don't feel too drying or anything, so I really, really like that. All right, you guys, so my lashes are on. This is just something a little that I created for you guys. I'm just showing you guys some stuff that I picked up. To end off this video, I do want to show you guys what I really, really liked. So I really liked the Morphe brow cream. I really liked this one. Really liked this brush. It's super, super cute. So the palette, I mean, it's nothing too interesting. The shimmers, you know, are really pretty. You do kind of have to pack them on. It's not my favorite, but I did like how the shimmer looks once you pack on the eyeshadow. I really liked the brow, not the brow. I really liked the matte lip crayons. I think I'm gonna pick up some more because I really, really like these. You guys should definitely try these out. So the contour palette, I didn't really like the bronzer, maybe because it's a little too dark for me. But the highlighter, I really, really like the highlighter. So I'm going to try the light shade, and then maybe that one will work better for me. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys are not already. Leave me any comments, leave me any video suggestions down below. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.